sitting in front of me HardReset, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So a couple of seconds ago I just set up my face recognition here on the device, and now I'll just unlock the device by 5 or 6 times, or a couple of times, to see and to show you all the difference and how far the face unlock and how useful this feature is on HardReset. So let's start. I just will try if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so let's do that. So as can you see, the face recognition work really fast on this device. I think that's just processed in a less than 1 second. So I suggest you to use the face unlock method on this device if you get some just of these methods to unlock methods, because that's really fast. This method is really fast work, and it's really, I think, useful feature. So you just have no do nothing, just press here on your power button, and in 1 second you'll just unlock your device with no touches to your screen or something else. So that's how it looks, and thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.